In this video, we will show you how to make shape transparent in Google Docs or Google Documents. First, let's creating a shapes. And for example, in here, we can creating shape by clicking Insert menu and choose Drawing and select New. For example, let's create some shapes using, I select this. And usually, if you insert some shape in Google Documents, for example, we can just save and close. And we can also place the shape. The position is in front of the text to make sure this is a transparent. For example, I create some letter with ABC, and we will try to make this position into here. I will make this into bottom. You can see there the shape is not transparent, so the text is hidden behind these shapes. To make this shape is transparent, you can just double click on your shapes and you can select your shape and select this fill color and add a custom color in here, and make sure you drag this slide into the maximum. And then in here, you need to go to the maximum on the white corner. So this is maximum on here, and this is also maximum on here. Just click OK after that. Then you can see there is a transparent. Just click Save and Close. And voila, you can see there. The text behind the shapes, now it's appear. That's our tutorial how to make shapes transparent in Google Docs or Google Documents. Hope this video helpful for you.